Hi friends, it's Nathan, a second-year pharmacy student studying at the University of Waterloo. Welcome to the channel, welcome back to the channel. So today we are moving into my college apartment. It's a really stressful day. It is 10:30 right now. We just finished packing the car. I'm sweating, my family is screaming. So I'm gonna bring you to Waterloo with me. Let's go. So this is what we're working with. I got my food, and then I have like, I don't even know what's in these bags. Just left the house, on our way. Where are we going?
Waterloo, where Nathan goes to school.
I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your...
So we're just at a pit stop now, and I've been texting all my friends because they're also moving in today. I'm not gonna see them today, but I'll be catching up with them throughout the week, on the weekend stuff, so it's gonna be really exciting. I haven't seen them in 4 months, so it's gonna be really nice to, I don't know, just like feel like old times again. I mean, we were in school for a year together, so we obviously got really close. Like you can see, the trunk is absolutely packed. I don't even know how my dad is seeing as he's driving. It's probably a hazard, but yeah.
Parents, not even your mother, but let's see where this leads. What should we do?
Give me more stuff.
Arrived, and we're just moving everything in. So we are currently hoarding the elevator. I have the finger on the button.
Stuff.
We are not letting anyone take this elevator. We're just putting all of our stuff in there. Yeah. Okay, yes. All of our stuff back in my place. Exactly how I left it. Oh, okay. Well, the previous person that I rented to changed the bed layout. I like it on that side, but yeah. Yeah, starting. Okay, Daddy, let's move.
Okay.
Tonight, what if this breaks your little heart in mine? What should we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me.
So it's currently raining, but we're about to pick up Lizzie's. They've never had it. When we went to New York City, we what do we have again? Hello, guys. And she always thought that was the best.
No, I didn't say that.
And
I miss it because I'm from Hong Kong now. I live there.
Yeah. So I went and I tried it for the first time. It was good, but it wasn't.
It was cold.
Yeah, it was not good. So I'm bringing her to Lizzie's, and if you guys are from Waterloo, you guys know how good Lizzie's is. We're gonna see what she thinks and what my entire family thinks, actually. Our first time. We also went to Harvey's to get some onion rings because she just haven't had onion rings in 3 years.
Are we
so
ready?
much food. So
We're
we
ready?
got
Time to open.
we got the chicken on the
my
rocks,
God. Oh, yum, the
fettuccine salad.
My favorite. Gyro.
And then there's our Harvey's onion rings and fries. Hello.
Pretty big though.
So I think if you were to go to every single move-in vlog that I filmed, I'm at this Walmart every single time because I'm always forgetting stuff. So this time I forgot eggs, I forgot turkey breast, I forgot vegetables. So that's what we're doing right now, is grabbing a bunch of stuff, and here you can see my cart. Yeah, parents are not too happy, but it's also not really my fault because they also forgot.
Running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me. Yeah, she's what I need.
Staying hydrated. Top shelf is mine, and it's pretty loaded. So we're now gonna tackle the monstrosity that is my clothes. And the good thing is that I have a walk-in closet, so I can actually fit everything. And my parents tell me every single time, they're like, Nathan, you bring too much stuff. And I'm like, I don't. It's just like, you think it's a lot because the clothes are thicker, because we're in that like mid-season between winter and spring. So it can get really cold at night, or it can get really cold some days, but also like really hot on other days. So I needed to bring both until it until Mother Nature figures itself out. So yeah, that's what we're working with. And there is all my clothes. I put this in a little like Tetris-y style so I can fit it all in.
Still need to
finally done unpacking. I think it's been almost just 4 hours of unloading things, unpacking things, buying groceries, shouting, screaming. It was very chaotic, as move-in day always is. So I'm gonna give you a little tour of my room.
But we hang with your brother when he could use the company. What shall we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What shall we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen, running through
Yeah, so I'm going to finally shower because I'm sweaty and I feel like I just need a good, nice hot shower. Then we're going to eat and call it a night. I just finished showering, but I don't recall the water pressure being so damn strong. So usually when I just turn it on, it'll like start trickling out and then it let it warm up and then I get in. But like I turned it on, water instantly starts jutting out this way. This happens, obviously I wiped it down, but like it was Niagara Falls and it just kept on pushing out. And even when I was like showering and the door was closed, I feel like it was still kind of leaking out. Like, yikes, I need to figure out how to lower water pressure. If anyone knows how, I can't believe I'm saying this, but like, I love water pressure, but this water pressure is Niagara Falls and I'm looking more for Lazy River, so we need to fix that. So for dinner, we got fried rice from yesterday, which I ate at a restaurant. Then I'm watching Legacies.
But we hang with your brother when he could use the company. What shall we do?
So this is a nostalgic view, and for those that have been watching my videos for a while know that I am in bed, and this is where I do a lot of my debriefing and going through how I'm feeling and all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna do exactly that. Today has been a really good day, and it's like genuinely so nice to be back in the city, and this city is home to me. I've been here for 4 years now, and there's just so many good memories in the city, and just being in this space, in this apartment, everything's just flooding back. The good memories, the bad memories, but the bad memories are kind of good memories now. The tears and the laughs and everything. And I can visually see where those things happen in the apartment. Like I feel like I'm seeing like visions of it, which is kind of crazy. But I guess that's what happens when you just go back to some place that so much happened and so much history happened. So yeah. I'm happy. I love being here and I love independence, and I really feel like I get to be my best self and I get to be my most productive self here in Waterloo. So I'm really excited for another semester of pharmacy school. So tomorrow is my first day, and it's gonna be a good first day. I'm manifesting it. I'm gonna take you along with me, so make sure you check out the vlog. But I'm gonna go to bed. It is 9 o'clock. I'm waking up early tomorrow, as you know me. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a like. Let me know in the comments what you're doing this summer. Are you in school, or are you doing an internship, or are you just taking it easy? Let me know. If you want to see more college content, study vlogs, and study tips, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. And if you want to see more of my day-to-day life as a student, make sure to follow me on Instagram at NathanWu. I post a bunch of funny, relatable reels on there as well, and you guys love them. And if you want more laughs, make sure to follow me on TikTok at It's NathanWu. But that's it for me, and I'll see you friends in the next video. Bye.
Someone